The interception is being calm until now. It's not escalating. It's okay.
Consign Mike, O'Neill, Alpha, Hotel, 8. Enemy number 2320.
If you see this video, we have been intercepted and kidnapped in international waters by the Israeli occupational forces or forces that support Israel. We are masking our face right now. We have copters right above our heads, the most dangerous ones.
We don't see anyone coming.
We don't know what this is, if this is paint or some chemical.
Calm down, everyone. Calm down. Everything's gonna be alright. Calm down. Wait. Hey.